Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to answer the question if you can charge your headphones using your phone. So actually yes, but it's quite complex. Complex. Here we've got this cable in the box. This cable is, as you can see, USB type A to these charging pins. And actually the second part of this cable is not universal, it's only to these headphones. So we need to focus on this USB type A plug. You need to buy an adapter. If you buy an adapter from USB type A to type C, you can plug it into your phone, USB type C charging port, and then you'll be able to charge your headphones using your phone. Of course, it doesn't have to be USB type C. It can be USB type B micro, or maybe Lightning, any cable actually that you just wish. We need to just buy an adapter. And that's it. Bye.